Hello everyone, myself Asilah from first year CSPS department, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangaluru. So my topic on innovation and design thinking workshop is LifeStraw. So the LifeStraw is portable water filtration device designed to provide safe drinking water in areas with limited access to clean water sources. The LifeStraw works by using of a series of filters to remove bacteria, parasites, and other contaminants from water, making it safe to drink. It has been widely used in humanitarian efforts, outdoor adventures, and emergency situations to help people access clean and safe drinking water. Its compact and lightweight design makes it a popular choice for hikers, campers, and to travel who need a reliable way to purify water on the go. So the material required are hollow fiber membrane. This is the core component of LifeStraw, responsible for filtering out contaminants from water. The next one is plastic casing. The hollow fiber membrane is enclosed within a plastic casing which forms the main body of the LifeStraw. The casing is usually made of a sturdy and lightweight material like BPA-free plastics. So end caps. The LifeStraw has end caps on both sides of the plastic casing to secure the hollow fiber membrane and prevent water from bypassing the filtration process. Mouthpiece. At one side of the LifeStraw, there is a mouthpiece that allows the users to drink water directly from the device. O-ring and seals. To ensure a water-light seal between the various components, O-ring and seals are used. These are typically made up of rubber or silicone and help prevent leakage during use. So the next one is straps. Some LifeStraw models come with a strap or lanyard attached to the device, allowing users to carry it around their neck or attach it to their backpack for easy access. So the last one is packaging materials. Finally, the LifeStraw is typically packaged in materials like cardboard or plastics for protection during shipping and storage. So this is how it looks like. Thank you.